What it do, Gym Shoes? You have just met Mama T, and welcome to my kitchen. We are going to do a one-pan type seafood thing going on here. And what's going to be on the menu today is we have corn, shrimp, crab legs, sausage, and eggs. We're going to try out the cucumbers. And you know, I love olives as well. You know, I'm really not a fan of corn on the cob, but I'm trying some corn, but I'm going to do it elote style. And we're just going to go from there. So stay tuned, and we're going to see how this tastes once we get it all together. Okay, so we're going to get started here. So with the one pan seafood boil. So we have corn on the cob. We're going to add that to the pan. Remember, I said we're going to do this elote style. So once they get done, we're going to do it elote. We're going to have elote. So the next thing we're going to put in here is some crab legs. I'll put our crab legs in here. We're going to add our shrimp with it in the water as well. I know some of you guys might do this a little bit differently, but I like to just put mine all in at one time. And you know, I like to eat mine this way. Sometimes I boil it in a pot, or you know, sometimes I can put in, you can also put it in a crock pot if you like. It's up to your liking how you like your seafood to be cooked. Okay, I do have some Zatarain smoked sausage as well. I'm really not a person that really eats smoked sausage with the seafood, but I'm going to test it out today. So we're going to get this started as well. So when I cook my food, I do love plenty of seasonings. So for this seafood, we are going to add McCormick shrimp and crab boil. We're going to add this to the pan. I'm going to use both. It's two that come in a pack. So I'm going to add this to the pan. It makes it flavorful. Also, I have some eggs. Put a few eggs in here as well so they can go ahead and cook in here. Okay, so now we're going to get down to the seasonings. So I do love garlic powder. I love plenty of garlic powder. So we're going to add the garlic powder to the meal. Just sprinkle it on everything. Just sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. I have some onion powder as well. A little lemon pepper just for the lemon taste to it. It gives it like a different taste. And first I can put that on here. But of course my favorite is like my Smack Your Mama. The Smack Your Mama Cajun seasoning. I love this. I put this almost on everything. But it really gives things the spice that it needs. So we're going to add that to this pan as well. Again, you can always season this according to your liking. I'm going to add a little Old Bay. A little ginger. Ginger is good. It gives it that kick that you may need. I'm going to add butter to the pan. Excuse me, I had to reach for it. I can bring the butter over here with me. I do like 1 stick of butter, salted butter. Okay. And also we're gonna add my potatoes. So let me grab the potatoes behind me and add that to the pan. Need some lemon and some lime, so when we get finished cooking, we have that ready as well. So you're gonna see, I just add the potatoes to the pan. All this is gonna cook up together. Okay. Okay. So this is our pan right here. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some water to here. And then once we add the water to here, we're gonna put it in the oven. So stay tuned. Now I'm just showing you how you just do it everything in one time, and we have it all in here. So what we're gonna do is now we're gonna wrap it in aluminum foil, and we're gonna put it into the oven for a little while until everything get done, and we will eat the meal. So thanks. Looking forward to eating with you guys. You turn it off? Hello everyone, we are back with everything completed, and we're going to start off with the crablets that we have fit. So let's go. Let's see how it turned out. So I may not be able to eat all this because I'm part of the LB crew, so I might be limited to how much I can eat, but we are going to try our best. So let me try the sausage. I really don't eat sausage, but let's see. That's good. Not bad. After this, I kind of dip it in some butter sauce. That is good. This is really good. I kind of like my crablets kind of soft. Some people like to put that in for a few seconds and take them right out, but I don't. I like to at least leave mine in for at least an hour. Maybe it's just my taste buds. This is so good. I love crablet. My favorite, one of my favorite fantasy food dishes. Delicious. I'm gonna try this egg. I never ate egg with my seafood, but I see several people eating it all the time. So let's see how this do. Let's see if that's it may be an acquired taste, but I don't know yet. So let's see. Okay. I think I had a little shell there, but but other than that, it's pretty cool. I'm loving it. I like the egg with the with this and the sausage. It reminds me of back in the day when our parents used to make us like fried hot dogs or this type of smoked meat and sausage and egg. So this is pretty good. Maybe I'll acquire a taste for some. If that is smoked sausage, it's okay. I believe it's more for like gumbo, so we're gonna leave it with the gumbo. If you all know of a good sausage that I can purchase that may outweigh this, and this is okay, please put in my comments. I'm always open to new things. Okay. Get some more of this crab leg. I like the small crab legs, but I'm going to try the king crab legs next time. Because it seems like you get more. These crab legs, they are really, really good. But again, I think I'm going to start buying the king crab legs because it seems like you get a little bit more crab in there. I can't eat a whole lot of it. So I can like, you know, get what I know, you know, how much I can eat. So these crab legs and just this regular butter sauce. I just add a little Old Bay in there, garlic powder, a little Cajun seasoning, and I love it just like that. I know there's other things out here that we can try for the sauces. I've seen several people doing several things, so maybe I'll try some of those recipes as well. If you have one that you think I should be trying or testing out, send me a comment and maybe I can address it next time. This is pretty good. I'm gonna try a little bit of this shrimp here. Pretty good. I have some stuffed olives on here. I love stuffed olives. It has feta in these. And I say these are so good. They are very good. I'm trying to eat one of these with this seafood. See how it tastes with them. Took a whole another clip right there. That's what I'm talking about. Have this potato. This potato is really good. Just by even without the oil or the butter, not oil but butter sauce, it's really good by itself. If you're a potato lover, these little small ones, these really, really are good. I told you guys that I wasn't really into corn on the cob, so I did make some elote. So I'm going to test it out, see if I did pretty good on this. Tastes so good when they make you smack somebody, but it ain't gonna be my mama. Fine. I think I got a little caliente in me making that elote, honey. That's what I'm talking about. Try a little bit more of this egg. I can say that all of this is good. I really did a good job. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to eat all this. Okay, I'm gonna test out this cucumber thing. Everybody be talking about these cucumbers. This is another thing I think would be an acquired taste. Cucumber with seafood. So we're gonna see what's the hype and see if it make it rain. Okay. Okay. I can dig it, but I ain't digging it. Okay, I see you guys with cucumbers. I tried it. Get a little bit more of this crab leg. A little bit more of the elote. Excuse me. I'm sorry, y'all, but when food gets stuck in my neck or my throat, I be like, it's so unladylike, but I can't help it. It's like it has to go down. I think you guys that's part of the LB crew know what I'm talking about when it comes to eating food. Making sure that it totally digests. Ugh. See, I ain't no professional on these crab legs, taking them on out. As I grow with all of this, I guess I get very, very popular with cracking crab legs. One second, I need to get some paper towel or something. I got this all over my hand, face. Okay, I'm back. This is really good. I'm enjoying my meal. I'm gonna try a little lime. I like lemon. Ooh, almost lost it. I like lemon and lime. You know, lime is like my favorite. But lemon is cool too. Excuse me again. That lime, give it a kick. It's about that life. Lime is about that life. Lemon, and you know, this is pretty cool, but that lime just gave that crab leg life. Okay, everyone, I believe I done tested out everything that I done cook within this seafood mukbang here. I think that we're gonna KO this on out because I am very, very, very full. Like I said before, I'm limited to eating for an LB crew, so I will be eating very small throughout some of these series that you're going to be seeing me on here on YouTube. But I do enjoy what I do, which is cooking. So I want you to click, like, share, and subscribe, and comment as well. And also share with your friends. You know, I'm always open to new things. So if you have anything that you would like to put into my comments that you think that I should add, or that you think that I should try and prepare and see how it turn out, please feel free to leave me a message in my comment, and I will try to address everyone accordingly. All right, until next time, deuces.